This is Tom. Tom is a logistics manager that ships anything from shoes to cars around the world. Tom loves what he does. The moving pieces, the multiple global deliveries, and as you might guess, there are many challenges. It's all in the details. Managing the logistics of logistics from one place to another takes a lot of work and complex systems. Tom is ultimately responsible for consolidating accounting with all the business processes that happen, including warehousing and distribution, cargo transportation and forwarding responsibilities that include ensuring cargo is properly transported through air, sea, and land. While managing the cargo coming in and out of the warehouse, he also needs to update accounting so that profit and loss reports, balance sheets, and other documents are updated and timely. And many other responsibilities. With every move, he needs a paper trail that leads back to accounting. At the moment, that involves a lot of manual work. But information needs to be shared at exactly the right time. Sometimes, it's like finding a treasure or going on a quest. A quest with potential obstacles, mistakes, lost information, and possibly unhappy customers at every turn. Because his processes and departments are not yet synced with the right software, all sorts of avoidable errors happen. Communication errors between departments. Missed sales from cargo not leaving on time or being lost. Data processing errors. One day, Tom decided to do a search for logistics software, and he found Magaya. After speaking to a software advisor, Tom learned that Magaya could help him save time and money. Now, he manages complex problems in a simple way with less headache. With Magaya, Tom doesn't have to worry about deadlines, delivery mistakes, or accessing timely information. His accounting and other departments now see the information they need at exactly the right time. Now, financial reports match what is happening across the supply chain in real time. So decisions happen faster. Even customers now have a portal they can use to track where goods are. And as Tom's customers scale and develop new needs, Magaya software empowers them to grow and tackle any supply chain challenge. Now Tom's customers started to sell online and needs fulfillment services. With Magaya, Tom can help with that too. And it all started with a simple, easy request for a free demo. Request a demo today and get started.